On today's episode, these came out about 2 months ago. They sold out. 20, 40, 60, 80. All right, y'all have a great weekend, okay? 115, right?
Yes.
All right. She tired.
Huh?
I said she. Welcome to the city of Los Angeles, where everyone comes to be a star. With these gas prices, you won't get far. Homes are high, and they say we're about to be in a recession. Let me show you guys how I make extra money and avoid depression. So as I'm trying to change my memory card, it flickers behind my steering wheel. Y'all, look who came through again. He got my memory card from behind my steering wheel.
I need you to hold right here. I need you to hold this right here.
Okay, here I come. All right, y'all. Stevie came through again. All right, thank you. Thank you for your services, sir.
Thank you for your monsters, ma'am.
All right, Candy Crew, somebody just hit me up for an item on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm here at the storage, about to meet them. All right, here's the fan that they're picking up. It's a Bernardo fan. It's a nice size tower fan that gets the room really cool. They are getting an amazing deal. Hello.
I told you the other one.
Oh, that was the X. That's the exit.
Yeah, I just like.
Oh.
Oh, this is.
Yes.
You said it's working, right?
Yeah, I'll show you right now.
Oh, okay. How did you know? Because you sent me a message that I just passed it. Did you see me?
Yeah, that's when you sent the message. I figured that was you in the Jetta. You come up here and fill it.
Oh, okay. All right.
Have a great day.
Yeah, thank you.
$20 richer. Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's your girl, Miss Taffy, just like the candy. And around here, we chase after new deals year round. If you're new here, I'm Taffy. I go to estate sales, yard sales, GOODWILL, BINS, flea markets, practically anywhere I can buy anything for low and sell it for high. And if you're not new and part of the Candy Crew, thank you. It's Monday, it's a new week, and we at the post office. I'm dropping off some orders. I sold an old vintage inflatable for 20 bucks, and then I sold a handbag on Facebook Marketplace for $300. I'm gonna put pictures up so y'all can see them. But yeah, let's go drop them off. Hey y'all, it's a new day, and I'm getting ready. I'm going on vacation, much needed. I'm going to Bahamas, and then I'm going to North Carolina for the FlipCon. So if y'all see me at the FlipCon, speak, okay? Say hi. I do not bite. But while I was thinking about that, I'm like, you know what? I have this heavy 16-inch MacBook, and y'all know I'm being consistent with the videos. I need something that's portable, so I'm going to get me a 13-inch MacBook Pro, so I can be more consistent. And like, say when I don't want to edit at home, I can go to like a library, not a library. I could go to like a coffee shop or something. My laptop is portable. This 16-inch MacBook Pro, that thing is heavy. I'm gonna keep that at home and just carry this 13-inch around. But yeah, thank y'all for tuning in. I'm gonna take y'all in here with me to buy this Mac. And I believe we have some more sales we gotta meet today. I'm gonna let y'all know. But I'm having a new do. So at FlipCon, I'm not gonna have this hairstyle, y'all. I'm gonna have something new. But still speak to me though, okay? Say hi. Hey, it's a new day, and guess what? I'm just getting off work, and guess what I got for y'all again? Another local sale. Right now, I'm about to sell these Yeezys. Let me show them to y'all. These came out about 2 months ago. They sold out. They only cost 80 bucks. Guess how much I'm selling these for? Comment down below. Hurry up. They cost 80 bucks. Selling them for two. They're all over here. I'm selling for $230, y'all. Local pickup. Let's go make this money. All right. And don't say I didn't put y'all on, because y'all, I don't know if y'all know these Yeezy slides. Make sure y'all get them on the Confirm app, though, and win them and then resell them. Don't say I ain't told y'all nothing. Don't tell nobody else, though. Shh. All right. Thank you, my goodness. All right, have a good one.
You guys have a good day.
You
do
too.
the same. Thank you.
It's a new day, so it's new money. All right, today we're selling these Yeezy slides. To be honest, I bought them for myself personally, but once I see them in person, this color is not for me. Let me show y'all them. All right, they're a little bright, huh? Thumbnail. But yes, I bought these for $76. They're too bright for me, so I'm about to sell them for $105. So like I said before, if y'all see Yeezys on the Confirm app, try to win the raffle because they always go for more money. $105 and I paid $76. Yeah, get that money. We're in the Prius, going to sell these Yeezys. Yeezy. What is that? Yeezy over Jumpman?
Jumpman, them boys up to something.
Whatever it is, but thank you, Yeezy. Got me some lunch money. She said she here. She drove over an hour, guys. And when I do these meetups, y'all, I always go to a place where I feel safe, like where there's cameras. I know the area. I think this is her right here. Hi, for the slides? It is hot.
It is hot.
Yes, it is. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
20, 40, 60, 80. All right, you have a great weekend, okay?
Oh, no, esto. Oh, I can hear you if you have any more
Yeah.
clues and stuff.
Yeah. All right,
Okay,
thank you.
so much.
No problem. All right, y'all. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 15. Get that money. Next up, Candy Crew, we have these tan ones. Once again, Yeezy slides, never worn. Paid like 76 bucks. I'm selling these for 115. And of course, I'm taking y'all with me. Let's go. Hello. Hi.
Hi.
You go 115, right?
Yes.
All right.
All right, thank y'all for a good one. Bye. Candy Crew, we are 115 Richard. Shimon, keep chasing these deals.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
All right, Candy Crew, chasing them deals. Let's go to the BINS.
We ready.
First things first, I go for the shoes. These were not Timberlands, so I left these behind. They had a lot of toys available, but my mind was set on hard goods. This backpack should sell for around 25 bucks. Then I spotted these Jordans just sitting there. These should sell for around 50 bucks once I clean them up. I took a breather and my mom continued to look. She wants me to stay cleaning, y'all. Look at this. Look how dirty this one is. Let me see the other one. Sheesh. Let me.
Hell no, no, to the no, no, hell to the no, no.
This Goodwill BINS was not as crowded as the Los Angeles location. So far, this is what we grabbed. This Ace jacket was also just sitting there. Once I clean it up, it should sell for around 45 bucks. This is my first time coming across this brand, but look how much the comps go for. These should sell for at least 60 bucks. She tired.
Huh?
I said
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a break. Candy Crew. We just left the BINS. We tried a location that we haven't been to in a while. Well, I've been here, but my mom, she hasn't. How did you like it?
I loved it, but it's a warm day here in San Bernardino.
Yeah, so we're gonna get cool, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got at home once I clean it up and all that good stuff.
Have a good day, Candy Crew.
All right, the hard goods was $1.19 per pound, and the soft goods were $2.59 per pound, and I ended up paying a total of $34.54. Got these Reeboks as well. All black Nikes. Of course, I'm gonna clean them up and use my special sauce. You can never go wrong with an all black New Balance shoe. So of course I snagged these. I also got this Spurs t-shirt. I always like picking up team shirts because they do well. And this is an actual NBA brand shirt. So I'll never leave these behind because guess what? It's a Spurs fan out here. And guess who it's for? Mr. Duncan himself, Tim Duncan. I got this Hundreds t-shirt. It looks swash, but that's the style to me. And this is size medium. The size is the best, but I'm pretty sure someone will pick it up. I also picked up these Team Jordans. Once I clean them up, they're gonna be sick. But I like showing y'all before. The bottom's not that bad, but I also snagged these grenade pants. Whoa, they're speeding. They were at the store for $19.99. I know why you picked them up, but they're worth money. I don't know how people pass them up. Got this dope jacket. It was just sitting there, y'all. I couldn't believe it. It should sell pretty fast. All right, Candy Crew, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm in the Bahamas, so I will be giving y'all another video this week. Until the next one, keep hustling, staying positive. TTYL.
Girl, shake that, laugh it, tap it.